Imagine if you can make enough money from a YouTube channel to pay for your next vacation, camera, conference, or car payment. Wouldn't that be sweet? In this video, you'll discover how to monetize your YouTube videos without 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. You'll not only make more money, but you'll make it faster. Here's how to check if your channel is eligible for monetization. Just click on YouTube Studio Beta, then click Monetization. You'll see a box that shows the current number of subscribers and public watch hours on your channel and how much is still needed. You can get YouTube to send an email when you're eligible to apply. Keep in mind, not all watch hours count towards the YouTube Partner Program threshold. Videos that don't include public watch hours are private videos, unlisted videos, deleted videos, and true view campaigns with Google AdWords. Now that you've discovered your channel is not eligible for monetization, so you can't make money from AdSense ads, what are the alternatives to making money from your channel? Here are 21 alternatives for making money from a YouTube channel without AdSense ads. Number 1, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make money from your YouTube videos. You simply sign up for an affiliate program related to your niche, and you can earn 50% or 60% commissions. All you have to do is create a review video related to the particular product. For example, I created a review video for TubeBuddy. When somebody watches the review video and purchases the product through my affiliate link, I make 50% commission. Click the link in the card to watch my video on how to promote affiliate products on YouTube. Number 2, online course. This is where you can sell your own products and receive 100% commission. If you're an expert in a particular niche, you can create a series of video tutorials that take people step by step through the course. For example, I created an online course called Master Video Ads, which takes people step by step on how to use video ads to sell products and services. You can promote your course with little tutorials on YouTube. Number 3, membership course. This is a great way to create a passive income online month after month. If you can get people to sign up for your membership course by promoting it on YouTube, you can make money month after month. So even while you vacation at the beach, your YouTube channel is generating revenue. Number 4, ebook. An ebook is a great way to repurpose the content you've already shared in your videos. You can simply take the transcript of your video content or a blog post and compile it into an ebook. If you want to know how to quickly and easily create an ebook from your Google Doc or blog post, click the link in the card. Number 5, write a book. So you've already repurposed information that you shared in YouTube videos into an ebook, but why not convert it into a hard copy? You can then sell this on Amazon or take it with you when you go to a conference. You'll be recognized as an authority in your niche. Number 6, sell merchandise. You can sell coffee mugs, t-shirts, and sweaters related to your niche. One way to do this is to set up an Amazon store or become an Amazon Associates member. As people are watching your videos, you can just send them to a link in the description to your Amazon store. Once your channel has reached 10,000 subscribers, you'll be able to showcase official branded merchandise from your YouTube channel. The merch shelf will appear under your video. Number 7, brand deals and sponsorships. Brands want to get their product in front of a hungry audience. So if you have a loyal audience on YouTube, you can approach different brands to promote their products. For example, I did a review video for Video Blocks a while back and got paid hundreds of dollars. You can use an online service like FameBit to easily find paid sponsorships for your YouTube channel. Number 8, crowdfunding. If you want to get paid for creating your content, consider a membership site like Patreon. Patreon enables you to create a membership business and create a direct relationship with your biggest fans. This will allow you to create recurring revenue from your creative work. It's free to get started and you pay nothing until you start earning. Let me ask you a question. How are you currently generating revenue from a YouTube channel? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Number 9, video editing. If you're an active YouTuber, you're probably doing a lot of video editing. So why not offer it as a service to other creators? It's a great way to make some additional income to support your YouTube channel. Just make sure that you use professional video editing software. Number 10, video coaching. A lot of people want one-on-one personal help. So if you're an expert in your niche, you can offer personal coaching. For example, I offer personal coaching for people who want to grow their YouTube channel at drostvideo.com/coaching. Number 11, hold an event. There are many events taking place in your niche throughout the country. For example, I recently attended Vid Summit where there was over 1,500 creators from around the world. You can do the same on a small scale by holding an event in your local area. For example, you can create a video marketing day where you can interview small business owners. You can create a series of videos for them by just getting the most frequently asked questions asked by their customers. Number 12, YouTube channel manager or consultant. There are many businesses in your local area that need to set up a YouTube channel to market their products and services. You can be the one that sets up and manages their channel. You could also be their consultant for video marketing. Number 13, make videos for local businesses. As I mentioned before, you can create videos for local businesses that answers the most frequently asked questions. For example, I used to offer a service to local businesses that compiled all the reviews online into a specific video. They can then embed this video on their website and social media sites. I would typically charge them $300 to $500 per video. Number 14, branding channel and social media sites. Most people are not graphic artists, so they don't know how to create marketing materials for the YouTube channel or social media sites. If you have experience creating marketing materials and graphics for your own social media sites and channel, why not offer as a service for local businesses? Number 15, set up and run YouTube video ad campaigns. Many businesses want to sell their products and services or generate leads. A great way to do this is to set up a video ads campaign in Google AdWords. So if you've had experience setting up and optimizing campaigns, you can offer this as a service to local businesses. Number 16, speaking engagements. A great way to boost your income if you're an expert in your niche is to speak at a local event or even at a national event. One of the best ways to train for this is just to do live streams on your YouTube channel. As you get more comfortable doing live streams, you'll be more comfortable on stage. Number 17, PayPal tip jar. Number 8, I mentioned setting up a crowdfunding site so you can get paid for your creative work. If you don't want to go through that hassle, you can just set up a PayPal tip jar. You can simply create a donation link in your PayPal account, then add it to your channel banner. It's a quick way to receive donations for your creative work. Number 18, live streams and webinars. Live streams are a great way to connect directly with your audience by asking questions, offering great information, and recommending your products and services. And you can do all this live. You can also record a webinar and place a recording on your website. If you use slides, you can repurpose them by using them as a lead magnet to generate leads. Number 19, repurpose your video content. Since you've already created the content on YouTube, you can repurpose it for other social media sites and your website. As I mentioned before, you can convert it into an ebook, webinar, online course, and even a podcast. It's a great way to generate revenue from different audiences. If you want to know how to repurpose your content in many different ways, click the link in the card. Number 20, send traffic to your blog. A blog or website should be your main hub for your business. Instead of putting all your eggs into one basket like YouTube, which you don't own, create a website that you actually own. Use YouTube to send traffic to your blog or website where you sell your products and services. Even though you can't monetize your channel with AdSense ads because you don't have 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers, you can actually do it with your blog. You don't have to meet the same requirements. You can also sell your products and services from your blog or website. Just redirect the traffic from YouTube videos to your blog or your website. 21, build an email list. As I mentioned previously, you don't own YouTube, so you want to build an email list that you own. You can then recommend your products and services. One of the best ways to build an email list is to offer a free lead magnet at the end of your video. This could be a free ebook, cheat sheet, or report. You offer a free download in exchange for the viewer's contact information. You can then follow up with a series of emails by offering more information and recommending your products and services. Another great benefit of building an email list is that you develop a long-term relationship with the audience so they get to know, like, and trust you. Here are some important things to keep in mind. You don't need a lot of subscribers to make money from YouTube. All these methods I showed you can be done with a small channel. You don't need a certain number of subscribers or a certain number of hours. And you don't need to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program. Make videos for your audience. If you only make videos that you like, you're not going to get many views or subscribers or generate much revenue. Make videos that your audience wants to watch by providing solutions to their problems. Be authentic. Just try to be yourself when you appear on camera. Don't try to be like somebody else. Focus on search. Identify the keyword phrases that people are actively looking for in the search engines. The more videos that you rank on the first page of YouTube or Google, the more money you'll make. Create a video series. One of the biggest ranking factors on YouTube is watch time. So you can get your viewers to watch more than one video, YouTube will promote your videos in the search engines. The goal of YouTube is to keep people on the platform as long as possible. Build multiple streams of income to increase revenue. Don't just rely on one income stream to pay for your vacation, camera, or conference. Instead, build multiple income streams at the same time. For example, if you're generating some income from AdSense ads, add another income stream like promoting affiliate products. So how can you get 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in less than 12 months so you can monetize your channel? I'm glad you asked. Just watch my next video on how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours fast. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.